How do you craft a claim for an argumentative essay? In this lesson, you will learn how to craft a claim by reviewing your close reading notes. So let's review. You just finished reading and annotating FDR's State of the Union address. The prompt says that we need to demonstrate a clear understanding of the text by providing clear reasons and relevant evidence from it to support your claim and to disprove any counterclaims. So let's review what we've done so far. You have engaged in a close reading and an analysis of FDR's inaugural address. Your assignment is to evaluate FDR's argument, and now we are going to generate and plan our essay. After we're done this step, step 4 will have us draft and revise, and then finally we will edit and publish our final piece. So let's take a look at what a claim isn't. So a claim doesn't include evidence. So for instance, middle school students shouldn't have to wear uniforms because they need to express themselves freely. That provides evidence, so that's not a claim. Your claim shouldn't be too broad. For instance, middle schoolers should be able to make all of their own decisions. That is way too broad. And then finally, your claim should not be an automatically accepted truth. For instance, most middle schoolers are ages 11 to 14. Everyone knows that. Claims don't reveal their evidence. Your claim should be narrow enough that it can be proven with evidence, and your claim should be a statement that can be opposed, so it requires proving. So what I would like you to do right now is to go back, review your close reading annotated notes, and highlight the main points. And then in step 2, I'm going to teach you how to draft a claim using the what, does what, so what strategy. And then finally, you're going to check that your claim answers our prompt. So in order to draft a claim using the what, does what, and so what strategy, the first thing that we want to look at is the what. So in this example, the what is going to be an author. The author does what? Well, in my example, the author uses vivid words. And so what? Well, the author is using vivid words to create mental images for the reader. So let's take a look at what your claim is going to say for your essay. What is your what? What is your does what? And what is your so what?